day trading, having some fun, and making extra income. Here are 5 reasons you should consider day trading with the Micro E-minis. There's no need to start trying to learn to day trade at $50 per point, when the $5 per point Micro E-mini is much less risk and a lot more fun. Day trading stocks is very expensive for small investors, a $25,000 minimum if you're going to make more than 3 trades a week. But the PDR, the pattern day trading rule, doesn't apply at all to futures trading, so you can trade as often as you want. And the micros give you a lot more bang for the buck. It would take you almost 10 grand to trade this amount in stocks, but trading this micro gives you 50-to-1 leverage. A lot of bang for the buck. That's incredible. There are many traders, especially day traders, who will accept a higher amount of risk. This is risky trading, but you exchange that for the opportunity to make immediate profits. And what I like, the money's credited to your account the moment you close the trade. There's no waiting for anything. And you can transfer any amount of money in and out of your bank account back and forth for free. And those transfers only take about 1 business day. The 4 Micro E-minis are some of the most popular futures contracts ever issued. They traded more than $1.5 billion in the first 2 years of their futures contracts, and several million a day trade for great price efficiency and liquidity. I gotta tell you, trading the Micro E-minis is very risky and also very fun. Some people liken it to taking a trip to the casino or poker game or a good sports bet now and again, if it's legal where you live. This is legal everywhere. You know it, I know it. People like free stuff, so let me tell you what I got that's free for you right now. Now, I keep telling you what risky trading this is, so you should be getting a little bit worried by now, but fear not. There's a trade simulation program. Do not trade any real money until you find out if this is your cup of tea or not. It is not for everybody, and it's risky, and it's a bit of a learning curve, too. But help is on the way. The CME has this free trade simulation program. What I like about it, there are no ads. I think you give them your name and an email, and there's no credit card or anything required, and it doesn't have annoying ads on it. So I'd say that's a pretty good deal. It has no fees whatsoever, and you can be up and running in about 5 minutes. And you get that by looking for the word Trade Simulation Program in the text in the description below this video. Did I forget to say, welcome to the channel. This is the part of the video where I tell you if you've ever wanted to learn more about day trading, trading futures, or finding an affordable way that you can trade. I put up new live featured trade videos every week on the channel so you can watch and learn to earn. And if you click the notification bell, you won't miss any of the new trading videos. Have you seen one of those ads yet? The ones that tell you can make all the money you want with this system that has documented guaranteed results. You don't have to work hard. You can work any hours you want. You don't have to think. You don't have to have any experience, make any effort, or have a lot of money. But you can get everything you want. Well, it's bullshit. Yes, it is. What he said. You know, the only thing I sell here on the channel is my book. It's not expensive, just the price of a pizza, that's all. And here's what you get. 110 pages long. It lets you know right away which things are important and which ones are not. And that will speed up your learning and make it easier. If you're new to futures trading, no worries. We'll teach you all the terms and definitions, the types of orders to use, how to pick a broker, how the contract values work, and what prices are all the points on the Micro E-minis. The book is the perfect complement to all the free videos here on the channel and will get you off to a really good start. In the book, I describe a special regimen of 25 practice trades before you risk any real dollars trying to learn to trade. And there's a special section on trade psychology. This type of trading can be very risky, and you need every advantage you can find. Thousands of traders have used this book over the last 2 years to help learn to trade the Micro E-minis. I hope you will too. It has over 350 5-star reviews. Check out the book link in the text below. Thank you. One thing you can do to help me out is to hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this one. I'd really appreciate that. If you want to know more about the Micro E-minis right now, I prepared this special top 10 list of featured trades for you. You should look at it right now. I'm Don Singletary. I hope every day is a payday for you, and thank you.